guys are offloading our Shiraz that we got yesterday, which was picked for us at Robert Stamford Vineyard. It's looking really beautiful. I'll give you a little pan into the grapes themselves. Look at these beauties. They are looking so good. I'm really excited about this little lot. And this is what happens at the end of a day when you've had a very successful and good harvest and you've put a lot of nice Shiraz grapes into a tank. And then these little friends come along and they eat all the stalks and all the grapes and some other little bits and pieces. This is the most exciting thing about winemaking, I think. Look at this. Whoever thought that winemaking would be so exciting? And there we go. Hello, little piggies. Look at what are you doing over there. You're eating little bits of leftover Shiraz, and boy oh boy are they sweet. Yumbo bumbo.